Hello, welcome to UNGER and our life hacks for the nLITE PowerPad. Let's get started. Today, I'll show you how to change the yellow swivel button on the nLITE PowerPad. First, loosen these 3 screws. The swivel head can then be carefully detached from the handle. Make sure that you don't pull too hard on the hose. Now you can remove the swivel button with a little pressure. You can now insert the optimised swivel button in reverse order. To reconnect the pad to the handle, first put everything together. And then tighten the top screw. You can then tighten the other 2 screws as well. Remember that you can adjust how smoothly the swivel can move using the top screw. Finally, place the hose back into the guide. And that's it. The nLITE PowerPad is now ready for use again. Any other questions? If so, let us know in the comments. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and give it a thumbs up.